Okay, we'll look at the quotient rule here. If the quotient of two functions, the derivative is equal to the derivative of the top times the bottom minus the top times the derivative of the bottom all over the bottom squared. So you can read that. Another way to think of it is, as opposed to top and bottom, we could think of it as high and low. The derivative of that would be low d high minus high d low all over low squared. So low times the derivative of the high minus the high times the derivative of the low all over low squared. So low d high minus high d low all over low squared. A little rhyme for you there. So here is my high and here is my low. So my derivative is going to be low d high, which is 2x plus 5 minus high d low all over x to the fourth. So you get f prime of x is equal to, and distribute these pieces here. So I get 2x cubed plus 5x squared minus 2x cubed minus 10x all over x to the fourth. So I get f prime of x, collecting like terms, those two terms cancel, So I'm left with negative 5x squared minus 10x all over x to the fourth. And that's a good answer. Nope. I can factor out an x. So I take out a negative 5x, gives me x minus 2 all over x to the fourth. And I simplify the x's. I get negative 5x minus 2 all over x cubed. Sorry, I ran out of room there. Okay, there's my derivative. One more example. So again, it's low d high minus high d low squared. So f prime of x is equal to x squared plus x times the derivative of x minus 3, which is just 1, or 1 minus 0, just 1, minus high, that's a 3, derivative of the denominator is 2x plus 1, all over low squared, which is x squared plus x quantity squared. So I distribute, really nothing to distribute here, it's just x squared plus x minus, I multiply this, or FOIL if you will, 2x squared plus x minus 6x minus 3 squared. I get x squared plus x. Collecting like terms gives me negative 5. All over x squared plus x quantity squared. Distributing the negative gives me x squared plus x minus 2x squared plus 5x plus 3 all over x squared plus x quantity squared. And we collect like terms and we should be all done. So f prime of x is equal to negative x squared plus 6x minus 3 all over x squared plus x quantity squared. We should factor this, but it's not factorable. There's no factors of 3 to give me 6. So we're done.